Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on Jouer Cosmetics. I used their moisture tint. This is what I'm wearing right now. It looks so good on my skin. I've heard about this brand for the past couple of years, but I just never really tried it out. So obviously I picked it up from their website. So what I use on my face is a matte moisture tint today. I used the color Linen, and they also have the color Porcelain, but Porcelain is for fair complexions and Linen is for light complexions. So that's the color that I use on my face, and this is what it'll look like. So let's see how this actually applies. So here it is. It does have SPF 15, so that is a plus. I already have Nivea moisturizer on my face, and I also have the Benefit POREfessional primer on my face. I also have my dampened beauty blender that I'm going to use, but I know some people like to use brushes. I haven't personally tried it out with the brush yet, but I'm more of a beauty blender type of person. So if you like to use a brush, you can go ahead and try it and leave in the comments below. Let me know if you like it better with the dampened beauty blender or with a brush. I'm gonna start with a pea size amount, so about this much, and now let's apply it. I'm so excited. Guys, I literally used just a pea size amount and it just covered up my whole face. I'm so pumped for this. It does look pretty even besides the dark spots on my face, but that's honestly normal with me because even if I use a different like foundation or another tinted moisturizer, it still looks the same. Like my dark spots are like never gonna go away. I don't know why, but this is what it looks like right now. I honestly love the coverage. I feel like I look really like fresh and really gives you that no makeup type of look. I really like this a lot. Let me know what you guys think. I do like the way that this feels. It doesn't feel too heavy on my face and it doesn't feel too tacky. It's just right. I still have some dark circles that I really want to conceal, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of my makeup on my face and let's see what it looks like. Okay, so I have the rest of my makeup done. Honestly, I like it even more now. It just looks so freaking flawless. Like, it just looks like my skin, but better. It feels super soft. It feels like I have no makeup on. Honestly, I love this. You are my new favorite product. I like the packaging. I love the coverage. There's nothing that I hate about this product. Literally 10 out of 10 for me. I love it. I'm so sorry that it took so long to film a video. I've just been so busy with school and exams, but now that I'm finally on summer break, I can film more videos for you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and a like and a comment as well. Also subscribe to my channel so that you know when I'll be uploading a next video.